This exercise is for anyone, but it's great if you have low back pain or want to remind yourself of the basics. We're starting this exercise in the double tabletop position, so if you're unsure of what that means, check out our How to Activate Your Core video for details. A common mistake with this exercise is that people actually bend their knees too much and the movement becomes smaller. You want to have that space between here and here to give you the length in the leg. That's a longer lever, which means your abdominals have to work a little bit harder. A common cue that people give is for people to draw their ribs down, but you don't actually need to do that and it can be a little bit unhelpful. What you might need to do, if you're a little bit more rounded through your spine, is actually have more pillows to support the natural curves of your back, and then you don't need to pull your ribs down and you can stay nice and relaxed in your upper abdominals, which is what we want. For the breathing during this exercise, we normally will say exhale as you lower the leg and inhale as you bring it up. But actually for this one, you could challenge yourself by swapping that breathing round. Another mistake that people do with this exercise is that they hold their breath and brace, so they're not really working their abdominals. The other thing that they might do is something that we call doming, which is where the stomach pops right up and you're unable to maintain a little bit of a draw in. And that again means that you're not using your abdominals in the way that you should be, and the exercise is a little bit too hard for you. Another mistake that people make with this exercise is to imprint their spine, so they're pressing their lower back right into the floor. But this means that you're not getting that movement from the hip, which is where it should be coming from, this crease in the front of the hip. It's not an exercise for flexing the spine or rounding the spine. You can progress this exercise by lifting your hands up. You can add a soft Pilates ball under your pelvis for instability and for more of a full core challenge. You can add a foam roller, which means that you have to lower your toes further, which increases the range of movement that you're working through and makes the exercise more challenging. If you enjoyed this exercise demonstration, subscribe, hit the like button or leave a comment below.